Well, yes, good evening. How are you and how do you feel being recommended at the SSB?
So I'm very fine, and it's a very good feeling to be recommended. And sir, I'm looking forward to join the Air Force as a pilot, sir.
Excellent. So, when was your SSB held and in which board it was held?
So my SSB was at 4 AFSB Varanasi, and my date was 20th of December.
20th December.
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. So, you also cleared your CPSS?
Yes, I cleared my CPSS, sir, on 25th.
Okay. So, did you practice for CPSS anywhere? Any special training you took for CPSS?
No, sir, never, not actually.
Okay. Okay. So, that's what we keep saying that one cannot train for CPSS, it's the natural psychomotor abilities of the person. So, how difficult you thought the CPSS was?
Sir, I have heard from people that they say that CPSS is very easy test to clear, but I would say it's not that easy. As you said, sir, it's dependent on a person, how he has been grown up, how has been involved in the activities, how his psychomotor skills have been developed, and it's like if a person has it in him, he is going to clear. Otherwise, not.
Okay, fair enough. So, yes, tell me, where do you come from? I mean, which part of India you belong to?
Sir, I hail from Bhopal, sir,
Bhopal.
Madhya Pradesh. Yes, sir.
Okay. Somehow, Madhya Pradesh doesn't contribute many officers for the armed forces. So, when did you get this thought of joining the armed forces?
Sir, after my 10th class, many of the people in my school also went to the engineering and the medical streams for JEE and NEET they were preparing. And sir, I thought of doing something other than the routine ideas, and I found armed forces to be a very attractive. Armed forces gave us a very attractive career, sir, and a very adventurous lifestyle. So, sir, I thought that I could maybe join the armed forces. It would be a very good career option for me, and it would give a very good prospect and adventurous lifestyle for me, sir.
And your parents were okay with it?
Sir, in the starting, my mother and my grandparents were not that okay about my decision. Yeah, but my father kept supporting me, and in the end, sir, after getting recommended, everyone was like, okay, now it's good.
Is your father working in the services?
No, sir, my father is a teacher, sir.
Okay, and but he supported you.
Yes, sir.
Okay, yes. Tell me, how did you go about preparing for your SSB? What all did you do?
Sir, about the SSB, sir. Firstly, when I got the written exam cleared, sir, actually I was knowing continuously searching for the process. How was the process? How it's been there for 5 days, and especially in the Air Force, it's a bit different. And then I came across some YouTube channels. I get to know about AFPA, how it has been contributing, giving many officers good selection rate. And when I came to know about AFPA, there was that at that time the online batches were only going on. So sir, I personally wanted to join the offline batch. So like physically means connect and train at the grounds also, which would I think help more. So I thought of joining the offline batches, and the first batch after the COVID on the 16th of November batch. I joined it, sir. Been there for 14 days, sir. Got to know about the process, sir. Firstly, the OLQs, which is the basic thing on which we were going to be judged. On the very first day, we got to know about the OLQs, how it's been tested about in various things. And yes, the 14 days at AFPA helped me very much throughout my 5 days at AFSB, sir.
Okay. So, the OLQ is there everywhere. It is there in a lot of books. It is there in the YouTube. How could it be so different in AFPA? I mean, is there anything special that was told?
Yes, sir. Actually, everyone knows that they are going to be judged on basis of OLQs. Everyone knows that there are 15 OLQs. But how in our daily routine, in our daily routine we can means like see everything in on the basis of OLQ. Even every small task we do in our daily routine, we can maybe judge it on the basis of OLQ. If a person is not working on his physical stamina and physical means thing, and if he wants to join the armed forces, he doesn't actually have a good sense of responsibility. And you made us means see everything and every prospect, like how this what your actions depict, how your actions depict which OLQs. I found, sir, that thing very much different. I don't think everyone would be teaching that all around, sir.
Okay. So 14 days in AFPA has added value to you. That's what you mean to say.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Tell me, Yash, there are a lot of, there's a lot of video on this that we claim that we give personal attention to students, and student get to know about his drawbacks, how to improve, what to improve. Do you think all that happened with you actually?
Yes, sir. Means first of all OLQs, then we had the classes on various other things. Ashok sir took our class. There were many psych tests. Means we had many sessions of the PPDT as well. Like we had 6 sessions for the PPDT, and after every session there was personal means feedback for every student. For lecturate also the same, sir, and for GD. For every task there was personal attention to every student, and I guess that helped every of the student in some of the way to improve themselves. And sir, after 14 days we also get a written report in AFPA. I guess that's also a very important prospect, sir, which helped us to improve, and which thing we need to focus in improving in ourselves so that we can be a suitable material for the armed forces, sir.
Tell me, you must have left around end of December from AFPA, and you just had about 15-18 days before you had to travel to Varanasi. What exactly did you do in those 15-18 days when you were back home?
So yes, there were only 15-18 days after I left AFPA. But sir, the thing was that you always told that knowledge plays a very important role in your recommendation. So throughout the 15 to 18 days, whichever I got, sir, I was mainly focusing on my knowledge. How can I improve my knowledge on the national, international topics? Not only just the knowledge about means like in the social or the international level, but also the knowledge about myself, sir. Like, so everyone knows that there is going to be a question in the armed forces that why do you want to join the armed forces, sir? And most people don't have a suitable answer for it, sir. Like everybody knows about they will be going to ask about their strengths and weaknesses. Means like this question, we not only have to gain knowledge about our surrounding, but also about ourselves, sir. So I basically worked on that, sir, in the 15-18 days, and that helped me, sir, I guess.
So, coming to the technique that you learned from us, each testing technique I'm talking about, and when you went back or you went to the SSB, actual SSB, can you tell me how was your interview? How comfortable did you feel, or what was it all about? Were you already prepared? There was nothing so surprising, or it went off very difficult for you? How was that?
Yes, sir. So, starting from the psych test, sir, we actually had 2 psych tests in AFPA, sir. And after giving the full psych test, it gets us a mock experience how the psych is going to be out there, and giving it in real time, so like practicing like that in 15 seconds, and a whole test in a single shot, sir. That helps, sir. And as we had 2 tests, individual feedback after both the tests, that helped me to know where I was going wrong, sir. Means for me, sir, I was basically my TAT was good, sir, and I had to work more on my VAT and SRT. So right from the first test, I started doing that, and till the second test, which is when our session is about to end, sir, we have that the second test. In that, sir, my feedback was good. I was able to counter my mistake which I committed in the first test. and that helped me in the psych test, sir. Ashok sir's feedback was very helpful for me to improve. And sir, then on the interview, sir. Interview, basically we had classes and we had personal interviews also. So sir, in the classes we were basically moreover focused on what we have to project. Means you can have the OLQs, and if you are not able to project them correctly, that could also lead to failure, sir. So right way, sir, and how to be confident at interview. Body language also matters a lot, sir, and facial expressions. Some people, sir, not very confident, and our voice modulation, that plays an important role, sir. So we actually got to know about that and practice that, and which helped me in the personal interview. And sir, I would like to, sir, highlight the points about the GTO, sir. GTO, I guess, sir, I was not very confident about my performance. But sir, personally at AFSB, I thought that I performed my best at GTO. I was not actually very confident in GTO, but my GTO went best, sir. Like the GDs all we had, sir, in AFPA, that helped me a lot, sir. In the fish market situation, I was easily able to counter. I was able to put my points. My lecturer was very confident. I was able to stand and I was able to give good points, speak for 3 minutes very confidently, sir. And sir, most importantly, the practical task. That's the PGT, HGT, and the CT, sir. As we had a bit knowledge about the structures and we had already seen how the structures could be, that helped me, sir. And as you know, sir, as I did well in my PGT, sir, then obviously my command task was also, sir, a bit different from others. And the GTO kept on increasing the difficulty, reducing the material, changing the structures. And sir, the structures which I practiced, that helped me to went through the GTO, and I performed very good at the GTO also, sir.
So the Tikana Fasana formula works?
Yes, sir, very much.
I mean, you actually applied that there and found the solution?
Yes, sir. The only aim was to, sir, where I have to go, what I can do, sir, means basically that only, sir, what you taught about, sir.
Those four logical questions.
Yes, sir. कहाँ जाना है, कहाँ क्या टिकाना, मतलब कहाँ फंसाना है, सर, वही, सर. उसने बहुत हेल्प किया, sir.
Okay, fine, great. But I thought, Yash, you had got screened out earlier. I mean,
yes,
you had
sir.
gone for the TES entry, I suppose. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
So before that, you had not done anything. I mean, you did not practice, or you did not know much about, or you took help elsewhere.
No, sir. I didn't had any practice. I didn't took any guidance or coaching before that. This was my first attempt after my AFPA training. And in that attempt, sir, I was not actually well aware about how we have to write the story, how we have to observe the picture, what happens in the GD. Like in the GD, at that time also there was a fish market kind of situation. In the technical entry, we actually didn't got much time to speak. But you know, sir, as you told that if the GD doesn't goes for long, sir, your narration and your story plays an important role in your screening. So I guess my narration was not very good, and my story was not at very good level, which resulted in I got screened out, sir.
Okay. So what do you think, what would be the right advice for the other aspirants? Is it better to get a upfront experience before you actually go for the SSB, or you think you should just walk in and try your luck?
No, sir. I guess, sir, a first attempt is a golden attempt, sir. And a person who goes unprepared in a first attempt is not doing justice to himself, sir. If he takes a coaching before his first attempt, sir, the chances of his recommendation, sir, I guess would be very high, sir. And sir, guidance not only, sir, from a recommended candidate. Sir. A recommended candidate, sir, he himself, I guess, sir, cannot give a correct guidance to a person, sir. In fact, if he takes guidance from an experienced or an ex-assessor or people like you, sir, he will be more. It means he takes coaching at AFPA or any other place, sir. It will be moreover helpful to him, sir, because a person who has got himself recommended doesn't mean he can guide people to get recommended, sir. because he has just known himself the procedure. He has not been knowing it for a very long period. But sir, the assessor like you who have been at SSBs, you know the process very well, and you can guide in a better way, sir, to get a person selected.
Okay. What is important? Learning tricks of cracking SSB or learning the principles and the concepts?
Sir, SSB on one side is a very complicated procedure, sir, but at the same time, sir, it's also very simple. You have to just be yourself. You have to just be honest. Some people talk about, sir, means like including OLQs in the TAT stories, sir. It's not necessary to include, sir. If you have it in you and if you have the OLQs, it will automatically come out. The stories will automatically relate, sir. So, sir, a person should moreover focus on the concept of OLQs, how he could inculcate OLQs in himself. And when the time will come, sir, at the right time, he will be automatically able to project his OLQ. He would not be consciously needed to show his OLQ. He would automatically be able to project, sir.
We usually tell you when you are in AFPA how to write the action part of the story, and it is the action which brings out the OLQs. So obviously, somebody who doesn't have that in him, he will not be able to write the action part. So obviously, the OLQs get left behind. You can't simply just write some OLQs there in the stories and then think that assessor will
Yes,
assume
sir.
that you have OLQs. Obviously, that's not right. Fair enough. So, I mean, what was the thrust upon when you came to AFPA? What was our thrust on the concepts or on some tricks and
No, sir.
shortcuts?
No, sir. There's no shortcut to clear a SSB, sir. Even when I got recommended, sir, I told this how many reported and how many finally got recommended. One of my friends said, "Sir, you must be lucky that you cleared the SSB, sir." It's not about luck, sir. It's a hard work that we have been doing, sir. Like the guidance I took. After that, also, sir, I kept on working on myself, improving my skills, and that, sir, only hard work can lead to means like success, not some kind of tricks for SSB, sir. Hard work is the only way to success.
I always say that your preparation for SSB starts after you finish with AFPA. It doesn't end with AFPA, right? So I'm sure you took that seriously and continued on that path, and obviously the results are there in front of you. Also, yes, you must be very happy that many of your batchmates who were there in AFPA with you got recommended.
Yes, sir.
I think
Sir,
there are
many of my
36
friends
them.
got recommended, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah, including Shambhu. You remember Shambhu?
Yes, sir, I know. He almost went to every SSB. He had been screened out from every SSB that has been for Army. And in this sixth attempt, he got recommended, sir. I know.
Yeah, he got screened out 5 times before he came to AFPA. And
Yes, sir.
sixth attempt, he cleared the SSB. He was very happy. And I must also tell you this that on the day he got recommended, there were 6 candidates total recommended in that board. And 5 of them were AFPA students.
Okay, sir. That's a very big achievement for AFPA.
You must check with Shambhu. He'll tell you. He was very proud. He called me up that evening and he made me talk to all those 5 guys who were part of AFPA one by one. That was a great moment for us. 6 recommendations from the board on that particular day and 5 of them were trained by us. Well, yes, it was wonderful having you over at AFPA, and AFPA life continues the way it is, and from morning 5:30 to evening 8:30, 9 o'clock sometimes the classes are going on, and well, I'm sure that there'll be many more Yash Chaubes who will make it in the SSB and they will be serving the nation with pride. It was wonderful talking to you, Yash, and you also cleared your medicals or it is still pending?
Sir, my medical is starting from 18th, sir. I have to report at 18th on AFC.
Okay. So we at AFPA wish you all the very best for your medicals and the future career, and I'm sure you'll find some time out to visit AFPA, visit all of us, and maybe interact with our Mission India students, motivate them.
Sorry,
So
sir.
that they also, you are not very far away, you're only in Bhopal, just about 400
Yes, sir.
plus kilometers. So I'm sure You owe that to AFPA and the future generation of students of AFPA. Thank you, Yash. It was nice talking to you. Thank you so much. God bless you. Do well. Bye-bye.
Thank you, sir. Jai Hind, sir.
Jai Hind.